I'm Ryan Pingodonis, and today I'm going to show you how to enter the date command in the Linux terminal. So the first thing we got to do is open Ubuntu, and I already opened up VirtualBox in order to start it. It might take a second here. So it's powering the virtual machine up right now. And I already completed the install process. So it should just load. Alright, so to open the Linux shell, we're going to have to go into our applications and then search for the terminal. And now that we're here, we can go ahead and type in the date command. And all that's going to do is tell us the exact date when we enter that command. Thank you.